So, Apple is reportedly gearing up for its most radical software overhaul in more than a decade, with iOS 19 set to introduce a completely new look for iPhones. The last major redesign came with iOS 7 in 2013, and after 12 years, Apple appears ready for another major shift. Bloomberg reports that the company is working on one of the most dramatic software overhauls in its history, with significant updates planned for iPads and Macs as well. The redesign, internally known as Luck for iOS and iPadOS and Cheer for macOS 16, is said to draw inspiration from the Apple Vision Pro. Apple's goal seems to be a more unified experience across devices, making it easier to switch between platforms. This revamp will reportedly introduce updated icons, a refreshed menu system, redesigned buttons, and even changes to how apps function. If accurate, this could mark Apple's biggest departure from its current software aesthetics in years, aligning its operating systems more closely with the futuristic feel of its hardware. Beyond visual changes, Apple may be hoping that a bold new design will reinvigorate interest in its products. Reports suggest iPhone 16 sales have been sluggish, and Apple Intelligence, its new suite of AI features, hasn't generated the buzz the company expected. A modernized iOS 19 with a fresh interface could be Apple's way of drawing users back in, giving them a reason to upgrade. This isn't the first time we've heard whispers of a software redesign. John Prosser of Front Page Tech previously leaked details of an iOS update featuring circular icons and other visual tweaks. Now that Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, a highly reliable Apple insider, has reported similar information, the likelihood of an iOS 19 overhaul seems stronger than ever. Apple's software updates have always played a crucial role in shaping its ecosystem, and a change of this magnitude could be one of the company's most significant moves in recent years. By creating a unified design across iPhones, iPads, and Macs, Apple could be laying the groundwork for a more seamless user experience. Fortunately, the wait won't be long. Bloomberg states that Apple plans to reveal iOS 19, along with revamped versions of iPadOS and macOS, at WWDC this summer. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming iOS 19? Share your opinions in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in my next video.